right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, close, carry, block, two hand, one hand, block, parry, open, right, left, 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 right, right, close. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the next episode of Sniffle Souls. My name is James, and I'm playing Reeve. I did look up how to cheese that thing over there. I hope I can run fast enough. I'm gonna have to do a quick equipment sort out before I go there, though. So if you would bear with me for one momento whilst I do that. Boom. So, fire defense. Just switching out slightly, you know. Look at that. I can barely even see my hollow face. How's my roll? Still not fast. That means I'm gonna change up a bit more. Boom. How about now? Still not fast? Damn. Whoops. Golem armor is fire 41, and the one I was wearing, and the other one is 58. Fine. Now it's gonna be fast, right? No. Oh my lord. I am wearing Havel's ring, right? Yeah. Jesus. Oh well. It will have to do. Right, I've got to run over to the altar-y place as fast as I can without dying. Keep running. Wait, keep going. Come on. Oh, I think I might need more stamina for this. Or to just, like, go full black gold cloak. Has he ripped the thing out of his stomach yet? No? Okay. Oh dear, almost ran off the edge. That was not going to have been a smart move. I can tell you that for nothing. Is he going to make a sound when I'm over here? Right, I'm just going to quickly change this to that. Hello? You're gonna rip the thing out of your stomach, chest, whatever it is. Have you already done that? I think so. Oh god, I'm almost dead. I'm just gonna drink these right now. I'm gonna drink another one here. Then I'm gonna run. Cool. And keep running. Set right back to the fog gate. Man, this is intense. Even though I should win due to the fact that it is a cheese, and that's what they're there for. All the way back here. On. Boom. Come on, bro. Come on, jump. Jump. No, that's not jumping. That's better. There we go. I did it. Bye-bye. I'm sorry. Your life... I am very sympathetic for you, of you, whatever the correct answer may be. But, yeah. Ooh, cutscene. I'm sorry, but I suppose I probably did you a favour by killing you. It's unfortunate the amount of times that you really do need to say that in this game. Anyway, I suppose I can go back to my other armour now. What was I wearing on my head? Black iron, I believe. Then silver knight and Havel. Was it this? Was it not this? I'm not feeling the black iron right now. Ah, there we go, Katarina, that's the one. We're back, bitches. Can I get up here? I can, cool. 22,000, that is enough for a level up. But should I get up endurance or strength? I don't know, I just don't know. It's such difficult decisions. Come around here. Up here. You're gonna attack me. I hope you don't attack me. I'm part of your covenant too, you know. Yeah. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Boom. Cool. Level up. I'm gonna go with endurance to help with the with the equip load. Oh my god, I was going for one of those songs. How did I manage to do that? Look, bros, I don't want to have to murder you, because then your little worms are going to be mean to me. And I don't want your little worms to have anything to do with me. Right. Oh, maybe I can get the demon great axe here. I kind of hope so. Great axe, great sword. Durden, look at these things. There's so many of them. There's a thing over there. Right, I'm going to come this way. First, at least. And then I'll veer out over there later on. Hey bro, how you doing? Did you kill a proud knight, did you? Are you proud of yourself for killing a proud knight? Ah, crap. This guy's tougher than I remember. Like, damn man. You're more dexterous than a donkey on a parade. You're so speedy. How dare you be so speedy? I'm not a fan of your speed. Right, let me just go get the other bonfire if I can manage it. I don't know what it is with me and my little musical tunes these days, but they are a thing, indeed they are, yes. Yes. Oh no, I forgot about some of the stuff down here. And the fact that there's so many Capra demons. Look at the bastards. Come on. I know you want me. Look at that. The big... yeah. Scary. What's that thing down there? I've never noticed that before. Oh my god, that eats you if you grab that loot. Wow, I'm surprised I never noticed that before. Are you gonna come after me? Bro. Thank you, bro. You actually did what was expected of you. Congratulations. You too. There we go. Now then. grab one of these. Aggroing them one at a time, that's the way forward. Oh, that was close. Far too close for comfort. Who's next? Get your bitch ass over here, Capra Demon. Ow. That was painful. I'd appreciate it if you didn't do that again. Like, it'd mean a lot to me. Now they're dead too. It should just about just leave you. Unless I'm mistaken. Which, come on. Since when have I ever been mistaken? They move just out of range, don't they? Oh, Demon Great Machete. Let's have a look, shall we? 40 strength. It's too strong. It's too heavy for me, but... And then the strong attack. Ooh, I like it. Though I don't know why it's got the little bits growing off of it at all. Facebook message came, well, notification came through. That's not weird at all. No, it's not. No, it's not. Stairs? No? Where are the stairs? Oh, there are the stairs. My bad. Oh, there's 3 people on my friends' list's birthdays today. Well, happy birthday to them. I do say so myself. Of which I evidently do. Only one of which I actually have any semblance of care for. The other ones I'm just kind of just friends with out of necessity. Because if I wasn't, then that would be mean, wouldn't it? Now then, this is where the thing eats you from. So I need to... Basically, I need to kill these worm things. Hello, worm thing. Please die. Ow, worm thing. You're a douche. You know, worm thing, I really thought you would have died by now. Can I see how much health you have at least? Wow, I didn't really do that much damage, did I? Do I have any, like, fire bombs I could use? Or can I bust out my bow again? This one? Yeah. It's an extra 100 damage done. So I guess I'll go back to that now. And, anything? Anything at all? No. Great. Oh man. Worm thing. I'm not a fan of you. Oh dear. You killed me, worm thing. I'm really not a fan of you. That was very mean. Very mean indeed. Roll it in. I'm not happy about this. In fact, I'm gonna go to a vendor. Buy myself some bloody arrows. Right. Where is it? Undead Parish? May as well try it. I'm not sure where anything is in this game anymore. Oh man. He's tired. Okay, cool. That loaded up. Okay, this is where I wanted to go, because this guy, if I'm not mistaken, does in fact sell the occasional arrow. In fact, maybe I can get 20k souls. I don't want to try just in case.
I could. What?
Yeah, sure.
My?
Take it.
I'll be seeing you then.
Souls.
Be careful out there.
I will. Don't worry, bro. You and me, we're his friends, ain't we? Ain't we, bruv?
Ma, I've seen one of those before. Might you? I could produce divine weapon.
Yeah,
Well,
sure.
You've made a find.
Cool. What arrows do you have? Standard, large, wooden, standard, heavy. I'm guessing large arrows? Hang on. Heavy arrows cause more damage but have shorter range. I'm just gonna buy one.
Don't get yourself killed. Neither of us want to see you go hollow.
I agree. Now then. Large arrows. Can I use them with my great bow? No, I don't believe I can. Okay. That sucks. Well, as I'm here, do you think you could? Thanks. Can't do this with I-hander because I don't have titanite shards. But I can buy titanite shards from you, right? Yeah. So if I get one. I need another one. Okay. And then I won't have enough souls. But I may as well buy the titanite shard anyway.
Don't get yourself killed.
Let's have a look. Can I use any? No? Okay, I may as well, in that case, go and get myself a few souls. Like, a couple hundred. Won't be difficult. Just to clear out some place. Running, 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 and running, round, 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 round. I am running to the place to kill the things in the face, although it's more likely to be in their torso, or I'll sever them into pieces. Even though it's not a thing you can do in this game, it's gonna be done anyway. Cause my name is James the Flames, or at least it used to be. That's a nickname my brother gave to me, and I don't know why it's time to sing, but it is apparently. Whoa, 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 whoa. Told you it wouldn't be difficult. Okay, now I just run back down to the blacksmith. Blacksmith. Sorry, I went close to the mic then, just to see the difference. Sorry, I'm gonna cough. Sorry, I coughed. I might be coughing again. See. I'm not sure if I'm getting a little bit ill. So instead of Sniffle Souls, it might be Cold Souls. I'm hilarious. Don't even pretend I'm not. I know I am.
Well, Need anything
Hello.
forged?
Well, you're kind of like hammering my groin right now. I would prefer it if you didn't do that. But, oh well. Each to their own and all that. What's it take to modify it? Because I can take it to Divine, Raw, or just a +6. Or I can take a Divine Club down to a normal club. Green, large, or large? Well, I think a Divine would be better, because then I can use it to kill, skelly people in Nito Land.
Don't get yourself.
Chill out, bro. I'll be fine. I mean, I'm probably gonna end up getting myself killed, but... Okay, so come here again. Right. One more try to get to and kill Wormy Thing and get that bonfire. If I fail at doing that, then I guess we're heading back to Sen's Fortress for a little bit. To see if I can save the Onion Knight. And if I can, then I would like to head forward and on to, Fudge, where is it? The place before Pikachu and Snorlax. Of course, I don't think we can warp to that bonfire, because for some reason you can't warp to every single bonfire. But oh well. Oh, it might just be kindled bonfires you can warp to. Oh my god, if that's the case, I need to kindle all my bonfires. In fact, I think I'm going to Google that. Right now. Can I go down there? No? Okay. Good thing I didn't try that then, eh? No. To the internet. Alright, I'm going to have to stop running for a second so I can type. Warping in Dark Souls. Go. Look, right. I don't like you. You're trying to kill me. I realise your little wormies are gonna try and kill me too. But that's just because they're douchebags. Like, they were born douchebags. You are just complete douchebags because you have the mind to think about it. Ugh, that is a gross sight. Okay, Lord Vessel. May only warp between bonfires. Specific, can't warp from any bonfire. You can warp from any bonfire other than one. But you can only warp to specific ones. Oh, so it's not just kindled ones. Oh man, I thought I thought I was being a genius and figuring stuff out then. My bad. I don't want to go and try and get that stuff yet. I'd rather do that when I'm overpowered for it. Because as you saw how much trouble I had with this here Capra Demon, I don't think it's worth going and getting wrecked by Taurus Demons. I mean, Taurus Demons are meant to be easier, but that is besides the point. Oh, is this one weaker than the others? Interesting. Oh, it might just be that now I've upgraded my sword again, I'm bare dench and get all of the damage in with the one swing, in which case I would be very happy if that's what happened. Oh man, so phlegmy. It's not even phlegm, it's just I need a cough. Yeah, fuck's sake. Right, rather than killing them, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll down here. Hello, Wormy. You'll excuse me for one moment, Wormy. I'm just gonna grab that. Oh dear. How do you kill Wormy? Oh, like that. Okay. Oh man, that was difficult to say the least. make it like this. Rest. Oh man, I need that rest. I wonder if I can warp to this one. I hope so. Okay, so that one can't be killed. Understood. Hope Wormy doesn't come back. Hello there, probably evil thing, which is almost certainly going to kill me. Yep, it's moving and everything. Great. Hello. Oh, it didn't try and kill me. The hell? Is this thing dead now, then? I don't know. Just don't know. Hi there, fire people. Get murdered. You as well. Jesus. I'm not selective with my murdering. I kill everything. For no good reason. Or for good reason. Either or. I'm not that picky. If I have a good reason, I'll do it for good reason. If I don't, I won't. Hello, Taurus Demon. I don't have any electric for you. But what I do have is just pain, if you're interested in that. Yeah? Cool. Nice to meet you. Demon Great Axe. Oh, don't I already have one? No, I had the Dragon King Great Axe. 8. It's got an A strength. Cool. Getting all of the demon wear. Wonder if you can get demon armor. If so, that'd be pretty cool. Assuming you need demon titanite to upgrade demon stuff. Oh dear! Oh, for fuck's sake, man. They should not be able to do that. And again, I'm sorry for the creakiness of my bed. That's not really something I can do anything about at present, though. But if you give me, like, a few months, half a year-ish, then hopefully I'll be able to fix that by being elsewhere when I do my recordings. Still be in my room, evidently, but hopefully I'll have like a chair and whatnot that I can use. Why, hey there. How you doing, buddy? Oh, you're not doing? You're dead? Well, that's a shame, man. That's a real crying shame, man. I've never actually done this fight, like boss fight, if I get to it. This next one yet before. Right, so they're dead. Now then, I guess I should really lure this one over here rather than fighting him on that ledge, because otherwise I'm just going to fall off again. Oh, there's another worm. Didn't even see that. Don't like these worm things. Come on. Bro. Bro, come on. Come on, bro. Ow. That was rude. Jesus. Cool. Now then, keep walking. See what's around here. Oh, there's another Taurus demon. Well, hello there, my good friend. How do you do today? Are you okay? Yes, no, maybe. A little bit. You feeling a bit angsty? Taurus, bro. Ow. Rude. Okay, now they're dead as well. I'm gonna have to kindle the other bonfire, aren't I? Because there's wormies along here, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, wormy 1. Did it just knock me through the floor? Yes. I did not know that was something it could do. I don't know if that's something it should be able to do. Did I just glitch out? Yeah, I totally just glitched out. I am out of the map, kind of. What is this? This is amazing. So I can use this to get down there, I guess. Without having to lava hop, I suppose. Oh, no? Can I not? Will it not let me down? Because I'm just glitching through everything. Really? Invisible wall. God damn it. Guess you have to do something with that. Stop the lava from coming down there, so then you can get to that. And there's the gate there, there's another fog gate there. Scoping out a new area, but holy Jesus, am I glad that I have this. That's the point. Is it Easter this week, or like just gone when this gets uploaded, or will it be Easter the week and following this? I don't actually know, because it's the first Sunday after the first moon after the 21st of March. So if the full moon, like, because I don't know. I don't bloomin' know. Oh well. Does it count as resting when you're at one of those? Well, I guess we'll soon find out. Yes, it does. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, Capra Demon. Lovely. Bitch, please. Bitch, please. To be honest, I don't actually remember what this fight looks like, because I have seen it, because I watched a playthrough. But I, honest to God, have no memory of what it is. This is going to be difficult, I can tell. Shut up, Taurus Demon. Go away. You suck. Wormy? Hello, Wormy. Die, Wormy. Wormy? Why is Wormy so overpowered? I just don't understand it. Like, is there just like a trick to killing them that I just don't know about? God's sake. Keep going, I suppose. Keep going. On to the next. And then Taurus. That was mean. Now, Taurus Demon. Don't be so cruel. Now then, how can I deal with the Wormy? On the internet, it says to keep your distance and use a bow. If you have to get... Okay, hit them once and roll. Once and roll. Understood. And then retreat. This feels so cowardly. I need to get more arrows. I wonder who will sell such things. Roll. Oh my. You are prepared, aren't you, Wormy? Jesus. Don't you spit at me, boy. Okay, how do I get up here? Do I not get up here? Do I have to go up and round? So there was no point in killing the Wormy. Isn't that just bloody marvellous? Oh yeah, you can come up here and drop down on the other dude, can't you? Ugh, I'm a Bacharel. Oh, hello there. Are you easy to kill? Yes, good. Hello, Capra Demon. Oh, Capra Demons look so cool, man. So cool. I wonder how long I've been doing this episode for. I should probably stop soon. Capra, don't be so capricious. Good Capra. What's this? Soul of a Brave Warrior. Cool. Okay. What's up here then? Through here, I believe. I need to come through here. Because I've got to this sort of bit before, but I've never made it to the actual Witch of Izalith, which I believe is the next boss fight. However, I also believe that Solaire needs saving somewhere down here, if I can. If not, then I may have to end up ending his suffering for him. My phone buzzed again, but this time it's emails. Great. Yeah, see that door? If you walk through that door from the other side, things go a lot smoother. I'm not sure what these things are, but I'm fairly certain it's these things that fuck up Solaire. Where's the other one gone? Okay, because the way to open this door is through the witch's other daughter, not quite like, but the ill one whose covenant I joined with all the wormy people. Oh man, it's so sad if I didn't just manage to save Solaire just now. I hope I did. I really hope I did. Because if I didn't, that's gonna have sucked some major balls. Okay. Demon Fire Sage. I did not realise this was a thing, but oh well. Yep, I assumed right that this one is like a fire version of that other demon in the Undead Asylum. Oh god. Just unrelenting. Unrelenting? That's the wrong word. Phone, stop buzzing, Jesus. Stab it in the butt. Or don't. Ow. Jesus, man. No need to be so mean. God. Right. Heal up. Oh god. No heals. Man mode. And I'm dead. Well, people, I guess we know what I have to look forward to next episode. We will be taking on the Demon Fire Sage. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Praise Velka. Praise the sun. Pray we saved Solaire. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help him in the comments below. And I will see you, cats, on the flip-flop. And goodbye.